My three favorite things are chocolate, maple bars, and bacon. Putting them all together in one glorious, decadent dessert was a no-brainer for me. Today I'm going to teach you how to make my maple bar bacon brownies. Welcome to Food Crazed. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We're going to start by cooking some bacon. You can cook your bacon according to the package directions, or you can just do it over some medium heat on the stove until your desired doneness. It's a good idea if you're cooking them on the stove to flip them halfway through so that they're able to get crispy and cooked nicely all around. I like to put my bacon on a plate with a paper towel. That really just helps to soak up any excess grease as the bacon is cooling down. We need to crumble about 5 to 6 strips of cooked bacon for this recipe. We're going to be using one 18-ounce box of a fudge brownie mix and make it according to your package directions on the back of the box. For my brownie mix, I need to add 3 tablespoons of water, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 2 eggs. Now let's whisk these ingredients together until they're nice and combined and creamy. Lightly grease a 9x13 baking dish and pour your brownie batter into it. And make sure your brownie batter is spread all the way into the edges. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes or until a toothpick insert comes out clean. While the brownies are cooling, we're going to make our maple bar frosting. We need to add 1/4 of a cup of butter. Then to this, we are going to add a half cup of dark brown sugar and 1/4 of a cup of milk. We're going to heat this over medium heat and whisk until the butter and brown sugar are dissolved and the mixture just starts to come to a boil. The mixture is starting to boil, so we're going to go ahead and remove it from the heat. Now let's add in 1 tablespoon of light corn syrup and 2 teaspoons of mapleine or maple extract. Now just give this a quick little whisk. Now we're going to add in our 2 cups of powdered sugar, but it's a good idea to actually do this 1 cup at a time and whisk it well until it's smooth and creamy. This frosting is nice and creamy and is combined beautifully together. Let's go ahead and pour it over the top of our brownies. Using a spatula, you can help kind of push the yummy frosting around and get into all the corners. Now just top it with your crumbled bacon. Now it's tough to wait on this, but we need to let the maple bar bacon brownies come to room temperature and cool down before you can cut them into bars. But give them an hour and they should be pretty well set up. These are amazing to eat all by themselves, but to take it up a notch, go ahead and top it with some awesome ice cream like a caramel pecan ice cream or maybe even a mocha flavored. This is a decadent treat that just hits the spot. I put a link down in the description below for the full recipe. Give these a try. You won't regret it. This is such an amazing dessert. Don't forget to subscribe for more yummy recipes. Thanks again for watching.